7th grade, Chapter 3, Lesson 3, the percent proportion. The percent proportion is set up over there on the left, and I will read that. You take your part, the part of the percent over the whole group, equal to the percent, which is the number percent, out of 100. Percent, the number with the percent sign. The part is the number with the word is, and the whole is the number with the word of. So we translate that into a short formula that we can remember. Is over of is equal to the percent out of 100. To solve any proportion, you need 3 of the 4 numbers. The first thing we do, number 1, is set up the proportion. Number 2, cross products. The answer when we multiply is the product, so cross products indicates multiply. Next, after we have cross products, we have to divide. You cannot cross simplify unless you are multiplying. And that is the 4th step. Number 4. Simplify, or our other word for that, reduce, by canceling. We have 3 examples. Each time we're looking for a different thing. Remember, is over of is equal to the percent out of 100. This question reads, what percent of 60 is 15? What percent, we don't know, of 60 is 15? We take the number that is with the is, that is the 15, and put it over the word that is with, the number that is with the of, 60, equal to what percent? We don't know. That's your variable. X percent out of, that's 100. This is where we circle to get our cross products. That leaves us with 60x equal to 15 times 100. Those are our cross products. Now we have to divide by 60. That is correct on both sides, so that the variable x can be by itself. 60 over 60 cancels. We now will be able to find the answer, which is x. Is there anything that we can cancel with what we see over there on the right? That is correct. 10 can go into 60 and to 10 times. You can drop a 0 top and bottom. Anything else you can see that will cross cancel? 2 times 3 is 6. 3 goes into 15, and 2 goes into 10. What would you like to do first? The even numbers? Okay. 6 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, 3 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. That leaves you with a 5 here times the 5 here. 5 times 5 is 25 over 1, which is equal to 25. X on the first problem is equal to 25, because you're looking for a percent, per cent. 25%. The next example reads, 9 is 12% of which number? 9 is 12% of which number? What is your is? That is correct, 9. What is your of? Of which number? We don't know. X equal to 12%. 12% means 12 out of 100. Now you have your proportion set up. Number 2, cross products. That gives you 12x equal 9 times 100. How do you get rid of the 12 by the x? Divide by 12. 12 over 12 is equal to 1, be 1x, and divide 9 times 100 over 12. 12's cancel, x will be by itself. This time we're actually looking for a number, not a percent. We can see quickly that 9 and 12 are both divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now you have 3 on top still and 100. That is correct. 4 can go into 100 evenly. 4 divided by itself and 100 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 100 divided by 4 is 25. This looks familiar. I think we did one like this earlier. Equal to 3 times 25 over 1, 3/4 equals 75 cents. X is equal to 75. The which number we were looking for is 75. Last example. 12 5/10% of what number is 24? 12 5/10%. Let me get my pen. Of what number is 24? Remember, is over of. So we have 24 over of, which is x, equal to 12.5. 12 5/10% means 12 5/10 over 100. Use your cross products and you get 12.5, 12 5/10, x equal to 24 times 100. Yes, divide both sides by 12 5/10. Divide by 12 5/10. 12 and 5/10 cancels, and you're looking for x. If you will think back to when we learned our fraction decimal percent equivalents, 1/4 was 25%, 1/8 was 12.5%. So that should be an indication to you that yes, 12 and 5/10 will go into itself and it will go into 100 evenly. That's 100 divided by 12 and 5/10 is equal to 8. 24 times 8 over 1. 24 times 8, x is equal to 192. That is the answer. I want to give one more answer, one more question, where you're looking for the is. 20% of 200 is what number? Is over of, we don't know the is. There's your x. The of is 200 equal to the percent being 20%, 20 out of 100. Use your cross products. You have 100x equal to 200 times 20. Divide both sides by 100. The hundreds cancel. You're looking for x, your is number. Well, that one was too easy. 100 divided by itself and 200 divided by 100 gives you a 1 on the bottom and a 2 on top. Now all you have to do is multiply 2 times 20. That is correct. 40 is the correct answer. X is equal to 40.